Never, never, ever, ever use the self-cleaning mode on your oven unless you want the fire department to be at your house. Come clean your oven with me, and I tell you more as we clean. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Mariana and I am very grateful that you are going to be spending the next few minutes with me because I have something very important to share with you that could save your life. This is my oven that we are going to be cleaning today using this Peruvian product that I picked up from the international aisle at my local supermarket. You could also order it from Amazon. It is very good in my opinion and most importantly, very affordable. It resembles the pink stuff or the scrub daddy paste, and you could buy it for a fraction of the price. And it has a delicious lime scent. But let's cut to the chase and talk about my experience this past week while I was helping my best friend clean her oven in her brand new house. My best friend purchased a home and she asked me if I can go and help her clean with another lady. Because the oven had a self-cleaning mode, I turned it on. But you should know that to the eye, my oven right now, the one that I'm cleaning here, looked more dirty than the oven at her house. While I was washing the refrigerator cabinets in the sink, my back was facing the oven. I smelled smoke. And the other lady who was upstairs cleaning the bedrooms, she also smelled it. And she came downstairs and she said, Mariana, it seems like smoke is coming out of the oven. And I turn around and I'm like, this is so weird. And within seconds, the oven lit on fire. I called 911, which is the emergency system here in the United States. And you should know when you call, you need to state your name, your address, and your emergency. And I want to emphasize this, and perhaps you should practice this at your house and have your family member practice this. Because at a time of an emergency, you may freeze and forget where you live. The fire department came in under a minute, which it was miraculously, and they were able to contain the fire. And you should know that the oven itself can contain the fire for a little while, which will buy you some time to exit the house and wait for the fire department to arrive. But this is what you should know. Alexa, at what temperature does a self-cleaning oven cleanses?
This might answer your question. A self-cleaning oven cleanses at a temperature exceeding 900 degrees Fahrenheit.
900 degrees Fahrenheit. That is the temperature that the oven will rise to clean your oven. That is an atomic bomb. Think about this. If you decide to turn on your self-cleaning oven and leave the house, you may return to ashes. That's how dangerous this is. But what really can cause your oven to lit on fire is that if you are not careful, grease drips from the side of your oven to the bottom where you don't see it. You will have to unscrew that bottom part and cleanse it. This previous owner apparently never used the self-cleaning mode or even clean the oven. And what she also didn't realize is that the grease had dripped down to the bottom of the oven where your eye cannot see. And when grease reaches a certain temperature, it will lit on fire. And please listen to this again. If you leave grease and it reaches a certain temperature, it will lit on fire. Today, Wednesday, as I'm doing this voiceover, my friend got her new oven from Home Depot. And as they were installing it, the plumber said that all the pipes were clogged with grease. So before they installed the new oven, they had to clean that. Think about how gross that is. And I have footage of her kitchen. I'm gonna show you the oven that I was cleaning. I'm also gonna show you a picture of the one that she got today. The chief fireman could not explain to me why companies install a self-mode cleaning, knowing very well the danger of it. And also, if you go and read your oven warranty, you realize that if you decide never to use it and clean your oven manually like I just did, and one day you say to yourself, I'm gonna give this a try and turn the self-oven on, if it ruins your oven, the warranty will not cover, because actually the companies want you to use the self mode. Don't ask me why, but again, you cannot go back and forth. When you buy an oven, you have to decide how you're going to be cleaning your oven going forward. My suggestion, do not pay extra for a self-cleaning mode oven. And most importantly, never, ever, ever use the self-cleaning mode in your house. Here you can see my friend's oven. This is after the math. Again, you should know that ovens are designed to contain high temperatures for a while. This is exactly how it looks like after they were able to put out the fire. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for hanging out with me and listening to this story that possibly can save your life for a friend. Share this video with somebody, and if you have any questions, if I'm able to answer it, I will. I am looking forward for your comments and also can't wait to see you on my next video. God bless you and stay safe.